Here we have a not too unusual office desk. Over here we have a phone charging, and then back there we have a tablet PC going, and looking at the news. Back there behind we have a router. In the front we have a light so we can see what we're doing. And the thing that makes this unique is the fact that it's all running on solar. Yes. And it is all coming out of this box right there. On the left side you can see the blinking, which tells you that the solar panel is active. The green light in the middle says the battery is full, and the orange light says that the power output is on. The wires that make it all happen are over here, going up there to the tablet, the router, and the phone. And then the solar panel wire goes back here behind there. You can't see it, but we'll run over here. Look, there it is. It goes out of the wall right there. Comes out to two solar panels, two 40-watt solar panels. That'll charge it in about 3 hours. With one panel it takes about 6 hours. The wires run back here, join up, and go into the house there. Usually I use this thing for camping, and I've got several accessories. I'll have to show a quick video, maybe tack it on the end of here. And yeah, you have several accessories that will run on there too. If you look on Amazon, there are literally hundreds and hundreds of appliances that you can buy to connect the 12 volts. So it's a really good system. This is a 24 amp hour battery, and you know what it's running right now, it'll run for about 24 hours with no solar power back. I've also built a wall charger so that, you know, when the power goes on and off you can get some power back. But it's good for power outages, for camping. If you're a prepper, you need to bug out or bug in, whatever you're going to do. It'll keep you connected, allow you to charge your phone. If there's Wi-Fi, you can pretty much go anywhere. You can go camping and connect with your tablet. But it's all around rather useful. I've found it good for working, for running like a drop light, working above suspended ceilings and so on. So anyway, hope you find it interesting. Here are some of the accessories I mentioned. Here's a ceiling fan I made for a tent. It has a separate light on it. You can switch it on and off. You can hook it up. Usually there's a loop on top of the tent you can connect it to. And on hot, humid nights, that thing is wonderful. It gives you just enough of a breeze to make everything okay. Then recently I was working above a suspended ceiling on some electricity, shut off the power, so we had no lights, and so we used one of the battery boxes and these lights to light it up there. You can use things like this. This I bought at a store. You plug the 12 volt adapter in here. It's got a cigarette lighter plug adapter. You plug it in there, it charges it up. For camping, my son uses it to charge his helicopter batteries, so when we're away from home and he wants to charge up the batteries like out in the field, it's very convenient for that. And then I can show you where it all began. This is the original model. This is a 7 amp hour, and it will run the fan and some lights all night. So it's very nice for that. Use it for camping. It's been used many times. It's very safe to use. Turn the power on here. You can stick your finger in here and nothing happens. So it's kind of the original baby version. And that's it. Okay, hope you enjoyed.